99% of people give up on their New Year's resolutions to be more confident. But if you watch this entire video, that won't be you. I've discovered 3 tricks that, if followed together, will help you discover confidence in yourself, so that you can make more friends, get better jobs and promotions, and create the life you truly desire. But first, in order to do any of that, you must first learn one of the most critical character traits in any person with confidence. Yet most people don't even know about it. You probably don't like getting blamed for stuff, right? Yeah, no one does. But what I learned is that confident people actually embrace this. Let me explain. We typically spend our entire lives with this feeling that everyone is out to hurt us, that society just cares for themselves and no one else. What I found is that this is not true at all. And if you choose to unlearn this plague of a mindset, you can mold and shape whatever your life is into the direction you want. This way of thinking can actually really open your eyes, allowing you to adopt a better worldview. When difficult times arise, and they will, you'll know that it is for your benefit to grow as a person. So instead of viewing the world as against you, try viewing it as it's for you, and to let go of any unnecessary stigmas. But even after removing your victim mindset, there is another step I didn't mention that will cause you to drastically see results in your goals. Everyone tells you that in order to be confident, you just need to buy self-help books, follow a strict online course, and watch a bunch of YouTube videos like this one. But that is only a small part of the picture. I found that just one thing allows you to make more progress than anyone, and it doesn't even involve much. So what is it? If you break down your goals into smaller segments, you'll allow yourself to breathe and come up with long-term solutions. If you find yourself constantly getting overwhelmed, you're most likely thinking about everything you need to do to achieve your goals. Instead of sitting down to focus for hours on end, just start out by studying for 15 minutes at a time. And if you're comfortable, slowly increase the amount of time to whatever you want. We as humans actively avoid taking action, so we make our lives busy instead of productive. But in all honesty, when you finally get that goal done you've been procrastinating, you will realize it was so much easier than you thought. And the cool part is that this will create a positive feedback loop in which you now actively pursue your goals instead of working super hard to achieve nothing. But even if you take action towards your goals, that won't help you at all if you don't know about this next step, which is actually the most important step in your success. What happens when you complete a task you've been putting off? You typically think, wow, I should have done this sooner. I'm so lazy. Or man, I didn't get much done today. I will never achieve my goals. Why is this important? Well, you're literally beating yourself up for following your goals. No wonder it's so hard for you to stay motivated. Your brain will actively search out a reward system, so you need to give your brain something positive whenever you complete a task. And I recommend just starting out by saying how proud you are of how far you've come. Focus on what you're trying to do in your life, and encourage yourself to keep going. Be your biggest fan, and you will see the greatest results you couldn't have possibly ever imagined.